Hello, welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to tackle a common issue that many Asian users might face, displaying Chinese character in Xero Invoice. So let's jump right in and see what would be the workaround for us to solve this issue. So first, I'm in the Xero page right now. I'm just going to move my mouse to the business under navigation bar and click on Invoice. For the sake of this tutorial video, I have already created a 0031 invoice to ABC Furniture as my client. So I'm just going to click into that. ABC Furniture is my client, and I am charging them for my accounting service that I'm offering to them. So in the description, I have inputted accounting service and Chinese character that stand for accounting services. And I'm charging them for $5,000 and dated on 9th of January 2025. Let's go ahead and print PDF and see what it looks like. So now that Xero generated a PDF format for invoice for me. So if I'm zooming in the description box, here the accounting service in English is displaying perfectly fine. However, for that accounting service in Chinese character, it looks a little bit weird, isn't it? So it is because that Xero by default, the system design is for English only. So that's why if you are only using the default invoice template, it won't support for any foreign languages except for English. In order to solve this issue, you just have to follow along and then so that you can see what will be the workaround that the Xero Asia team has invented. So now let's jump back into the Xero page. What you need to do is click on the top left and click on the settings. Now you see that it's a invoice settings option under features on the top right. Click into that. When I'm in this invoice setting page, you will see the first one is called standard. So this is the default template for invoice when you create a Xero account. Of course, what you can do is to add your payment services. You can also add your contact details and also the format of this invoice that you will be generated from Xero. However, as I mentioned, this is only support for the English characters only. The only way for you to display any foreign languages is to use the custom.docx template. So I'm just going to click on the new branding theme and you can see the arrow next to it and click on custom.docx. We're just going to have to add a title for the new branding theme. So for this time, I'm just going to add a Chinese template and click OK. So now I have added a new custom.docx template. Once that I have added the custom.docx template, if I'm going to the bottom in this page, you'll see the Chinese template has been created, but there are 2 more steps for you to get it done and to finalize the process. You probably have noticed that docx is a file extension for Microsoft Word document. So very straightforward. This is actually a workaround that require the work file template. So if I'm clicking on download, there will be a zip file to be downloaded in my computer. So this contains a couple of files. So let me just go ahead and open up for the invoice. So this is the work file invoice template that you can do more customization in. So let's say if you need to display Chinese character or other foreign characters in the invoice, you will have to use this format to upload back on Xero. But of course, you can actually change a lot of different things. Let's say, for example, if you would like to change the invoice title to be in another color, let's say orange color, and make it bold, perhaps. So you can definitely do a lot of different customization in this file, just like how you normally edit a Word file. And also, let's say if you don't need to display this organization text display name, you just simply delete those wordings. And also you get to see there are a couple of other items in this invoice template. Let's say, for example, the contact name, the item code, the description, quantity, unit amount, etc. So when you see the items like in the bracket, so these are actually mail merge code. If I expand those codes, you get to see this is like a bunch of coding for mail merge. So the reason why they are here is because that you upload this template into Xero, and when you generate different invoices using this template, it will display the right information to you automatically. I will highly suggest you to leave this as it is if you don't have a lot of experience in using or customizing the mail merge code. So once that I'm happy with this template, I can actually save this file and to upload it back to Xero. So now I'm just going back to my Xero page and I'm just going to upload it. This is the one, and I'm just going to upload it. Now, the work file has been uploaded in the invoice settings template. So now I'm just going to go back to test it out and see if that works. So let me just go back to the invoice 0031. And let me just do a quick edit on the invoice. So I'm just going to change the branding theme from standard to Chinese template and click on update. And now I'm just going to print PDF and see what is the result of it. Now you can see the invoice title has been changed to orange color as I made the customization in the file, and you get to see the Chinese character will be displayed properly without being weird in the screen. So yep, this is the workaround for you to display other Chinese or other like foreign languages characters in your invoice template. Yep. So I hope that it is helpful. If you need some more assistance, feel free to let us know. Thank you.